Hello everyone, welcome to the second day of Intersolar 2025, and today we have with us Ms. Sivani for sharing his views on Intersolar and latest insights of day. Welcome to Renewable Mirror, ma'am. So ma'am, can you please share the technical specifications of product offerings of your company in the segment of renewable energy sector?
Okay. We have different range of products. We have different inverters like on-grid inverters, hybrid inverters, micro-hybrid inverters, and also we have recently in REI we have launched micro-hybrid inverters as well. And we in like for megawatt scale projects, if somebody wants for higher capacity, we have cabinet solution and single component as well. All-in-one solutions also we have. So coming to the energy storage solution, so lithium batteries, we do manufacture lithium batteries, and that also we have in different capacity.
Do you foresee any kind of challenges in energy storage segment?
Challenges, yeah. So people are aware of on-grid plant. Still, we need or we are promoting hybrid solution because people don't know much about lithium batteries and hybrid solution. So, but yeah, due to increase in demand and also the load shedding and other factors that needs power. So for that, yes, hybrid solution and lithium solution, people are adopting that. But yeah, that gradually, we if you see the graph, then if we compare with on-grid, then that is a slow one.
Trends like innovations and key trends that are going to dominate the renewable energy sector, especially in the segment of inverters and energy storage solutions.
See, dominate the products that will dominate if we initially, as I mentioned, on-grid solutions were there. But now we need hybrid solution. Hybrid not only for storage, but also for improving or providing a stable output. So, yes, hybrid or energy storage solution, what we say, or battery energy storage solution, that is actually required for future projects as well.
Second day of Intersolar 2025, and we can see there are lots of visitors at your stall. So what kind of experience you are having over here, and what is the key highlight for you from this edition?
So if we see, people are more interested in our all-in-one solutions and micro-hybrid solutions, because see, if we see the capacity ranges, the hybrid inverters it usually starts from 3 kilowatt. Lower ranges inverters are not there. So we have that as well, like 1 kilowatt, 2 kilowatt hybrid solution products also we have. So people are showing more interest on those products, and of course the megawatt scale projects, because in India, as we can also see that our Prime Minister is also promoting renewable energy. So people are adopting this and they need storage as well.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing your views with us. We wish you all the best for your upcoming projects.